Good morning, sunshine. Do you hear that? It's raining. We always say it's a blessing from God. So, yeah. My name's Amira, and I'm going to be doing the Cape Cod Takeover today. I am from the AMT program, so I'll show you guys a day in the life in the AMT program. But first off, let's go get some coffee. So due to the weather, we're not going to be taxiing the aircrafts. That was the plan today, to taxi some aircrafts, but we will see. If the weather gets better, we might just end up doing that. But this is our hangars with the planes. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, I know.
All right, come up so you guys can see. We're going to do this a couple of times, but we'll start each engine for each power, which supplies power to the airplane. It's a momentary switch, closes the contactor. So I see the in-use light, I see the output light is good, and I've cranked this current all the way over to 1600 amps. We're getting DC, this is just a DC unit, so I'm getting DC amps here, DC volts, and then you'll see amps once we demand power from the unit by starting the engine. Okay? So now that's good.
Currently right now is we starve the engine of fuel. We turn the mixture control to idle cutoff. So in order to start it, you'll be my first volunteer. Take the mixture control and go fully forward with it.
This one?
Yep. And that's going to allow... Hold it. Now it's started. Now it's advanced the throttle.
Well, that's it for a takeover. The next hour is going to consist of us just doing paperwork until it's time to go home. So if you have any questions, don't ask. I'm kidding. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the question box above. Bye! My favorite building has to be the Aviation Maintenance Technology. So this is the building, and I can give you guys a quick tour. These are our classes. There's some people studying. And yeah, this is my favorite classroom. I do not need a mechanic background. I have no mechanic background whatsoever. I didn't even know what pliers were before I came in here, so yeah. My favorite part of the program so far is the professors. Thank you everyone for spending the day with me. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. If you want to see more of the AMT program, let us know. We can do that for you.